Okay, we have a 4-axis Mazak VTC200B machining center, serial number 138219, new in 1998. It has a Mazak Fusion 640M control. The 4th axis is a Nikken rotary table CNC-Z 200MK. Now we're gonna run it for you. It's running at 1,000. It will go up to 10,000 RPM. It has a Cat 40 spindle and, all right, 24 ATC, by the way. 4,000. You see the spindle? 6,000 RPM. 7,500. Okay, 7,500 RPM. We also have a chip conveyor and coolant system. .44 inches of X, 20.8.08 of Y, and 20.08 of Z. Second tool change. Jogging the axes. The X-axis, and now the Z. And we're going to do the W or B. All right, I guess a close-up of the control, and we are good to go. Again, this is a Mazak VTC200B with a Fusion 640M Mazak control with a Nikken 4th axis rotary table. Thank you.